to me, pay attention. Don't ever fall in love, it's the devil's own invention. Once I fell in love with a maiden so bewitching, the Senorita Bell out of Captain Kelly's kitchen. With me toodle-oo-la-la, me toodle-oo-la-la-dee, me toodle-oo-la-la, toodle-oo-la-la-la-dee.
At the age of 17, I was apprenticed to a grocer, not far from Stephen's Green, where Miss Henry used to go, sir. Her manners were so fine, she set my heart to twitching when she invited me to a hooey in the kitchen.
With me toodle-oo-la-la, with me toodle-oo-la-la-dee, with me toodle-oo-la-la, toodle-oo-la-la-dee. Sunday being the day we were to have the flare-up, I dressed myself quite nice and I shaved and brushed my hair up. Captain had no wife and he was gone out fishing, so he kicked up my life down below stairs in the kitchen.
With my arms around her waist, she slyly hinted marriage. To the door in dreadful haste came Captain Kelly's carriage. Her eyes soon filled with haste, and poison she was spitting, when Captain Kelly at the door marched straight into the kitchen.
With me toodle-oo-la, me toodle-oo-la-dee, me toodle-oo-la, toodle-oo-la-la-dee.
The captain came downstairs, he said, yourself quite funky. And I said, why wouldn't I? Sure, I'm about to spank the monkey. For me they take no bill, so they get all my resition. But I had to tell the truth, how I came into the kitchen.
I said she did invite me, she gave a flat denial. For assault she did indict me, and I was sent for trial. She swore I dropped the paw in spite of all her screeching. I got 6 months in jail for a cutting in the kitchen.
Me toodle-oo-la-la, me toodle-oo-la-dee, me toodle-oo-la-la, toodle-oo-la-la-dee. With me toodle-oo-la-la, me toodle-oo-la-dee, me toodle-oo-la-la, toodle-oo-la-la-dee.
I've been loving you a long time, down all the years, down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles. Smile at your funny little way. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whispering all its charm. I sang you all my sorrows. You told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song? To all those women, girls and boys. Sometimes I'd wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cold of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future. I'm not dreaming of the past. I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still, there's a lot I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams.
Don't forget to tell me about the waterfall that's coming up behind me.
Huh? Oh, yeah, there's a couple of lovely beautiful houses out here. I say so.
That's the proper way to do it, huh?